So how to keep up with the latest trends in the industry? Damn, it's really hard these days. It was so easy 20 years ago when you could have read a book on C++, get all the knowledge you need as a junior dev, and find a job as a C++ software engineer. But nowadays, there are so many new technologies and frameworks emerging as it seems every week. I remember a time a few years ago when React was a super hot, cool new technology after the hooks were introduced. But sometime down the road, and now everyone is using Next.js, which is built on top of React, and React itself is like a vanilla JavaScript. It seems that it's not enough to know just plain React anymore. Now you need to know TypeScript as well, and all these bells and whistles. So you can't learn just some HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript and feel that you've got everything you need like you could have a decade ago. The JavaScript itself has been evolving and it became much more complicated. Besides, you need to know lots of new fun stuff today, like preprocessors, front-end frameworks, and don't forget about Git, Webpack and Docker. But don't stress out, the solution is simple. Focus on the basic, most popular and mainstream technologies – HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. Check the trends in Google and search for the most popular front-end framework for web development, for example. It's React Library in 2022, so you are safe to invest your time and learn it. And if the trends show you that some programming language like JavaScript is super popular, cool, then learn it. It's there to stay and you're good to go learning it. As for the new stuff, you don't need to learn every new hot technology that is out there. Chances are it might quickly become obsolete and forgotten. And when you'll get a job, you'll quickly find out that companies don't adopt every new technology as it appears. They don't want to waste their time and efforts if everything works just fine. That's why you'll find so many websites running on PHP, even today in 2022. So the best way to stay up to date is to check websites like csstricks.com or YouTube bloggers. Just find a large channel with 1 million+ subscribers and check out what the hosts are talking about. Nowadays they talk a lot about Next.js and building decentralized apps on the blockchain, so looks like this is the current major trend right now in web development. Do you need to learn about Web 3.0, blockchain and all this fun stuff? It's totally up to you, but it's definitely much better to learn something new that you might never use than watching another show on Netflix. At least it develops your brain. It was Dimitri, and always keep up with trends, my friends.